Aye, it's Friday, foot down Friday, I'd say. I've just done that section between Belford and here. It's all sort of single lane, quite a risky part of the A1, very dangerous. It's never a day goes by when there's somebody being an idiot, but it seems like there's a queue of idiots today, man, honestly. I don't know. Anyway, I'm supposed to be Deckers. I am, officially. I'm on that side of like working for them today, but they've given us a single decker to take up. It's full of cardboard, but I don't empty it. Just leave it. Park it up. Fuel up, obviously. Park it up. Get your number plate, go to the office and see if your decker's ready to return. Again, three in the spin. I've had nothing to empty the first time. 6 pallets the other day and then nothing again today. Just park it up. But it's a weird trailer. I'll show you when I stop. I'm going to stop for 15 because I think I'm going to be quick, and I'd rather park up somewhere nice for 15 minutes and just chill for a bit than sit in the yard for 45 minutes. Makes sense? Anyway, and also wait till you see what I'm driving. Oh yeah. That's all I'm going to say about the matter. Apart from, no, it's not a Merc. I know somebody screaming, I bet it's a Mercedes. No. Just tuck that bum in just a little bit more. I see you up the hill. Beautiful day, by the way. I'll say it was Friday, 11 o'clock start. It's the 18th. Finally got rid of the contract I've been in with this internet company. Oh my god, I've had 2 years of crap with them. Well, nearly 2 years. I was on I think about 3 months left, but I've gone with someone else and they've paid off what I owed, part of the deal. Hallelujah. An unusual trailer. I mean, I've not pulled one like this before. It's probably quite common for Tesco, but that's where you pull your drop your legs. Don't want to grab it because I haven't got my gloves on. I'm in the yellow Peril. It's a 65 plate. Still got the hires. Yeah, it's not too bad. I've given it a right good clean before I got in. Sorry about that. Little disturbance. It's R450 anyway. It's the same interior as the R450 I used to drive. It's not too bad for a hire. It's, you know, I've just like had to put some apple core in a bin bag that I bring and stuff like that to clean the floor, and the steering wheel was minging, the usual. But other than that, it's apart from the colour, like the yellow Peril. So here's the deal. Last time when I come in, on Sunday I come in and I was emptying, the guy didn't believe I was emptying that, and he had a right attitude with his shunter. So I give him some back, and rightly so. So when I was coming the day, they told us, take the single, you do not empty the single. Do not empty the single. I'm like, really? I've had this hassle on the other day, blah blah blah. No, only the deckers. Singles, all you have to do is go in, park it up, get your double decker and get down the road. I'm like, alright. Come in here, fine, fueled up. Went to the far end to park it because it had cardboard in. 2 of them straight over. One of them, the one that had the attitude with us the other day, saying you have to tip them. Well, I was told this. You've got to tip them. Right on. Okay, the trailer's here anyway, it's ready. Trailer number ending in 588. Go and get it. Morning, Saturday the 19th January, of course. I'm on locals today. I've just come across the Asda, 10 o'clock start, but I was literally out the yard by 10 o'clock this morning. Card in at 10 to, quick check, 10 minutes around the cab, over to Asda to pick an empty trailer up. Thankfully there was one here, all was good. And John just gone into Asda's office to get signed out basically, come to security, hand in the sheet of paper they gave us to get out of here, basically. Lovely first one down to Heck Foods. I've just rang them there and so I was like, right, I'm on a trailer, where do you want us, mate? They can go down to Heck, get it. I'm not a massive fan of locals, not local, I don't mind these, you know, like we don't do the eggs anymore, Chippendale, been taken over by Morrison's. So they no longer are on our hit list, unfortunately. It's quite a nice little run that. Heck's good. He's not sure when it's going to be ready, but I don't mind. Okay. Catches down the hill. Aye. Right, so I'm running alongside the A1 now. That's on my right. So I'll go past Heck, come off at junction 50, go around the roundabout onto this country road, and then head back down towards it. Dead simple road, dead simple. It's in a great spot. See, I haven't started here yet. The guy who owns the haulage company's bought this place, and thought you'd been cracking on by now, because I did nearly a year. Quick story about Heck. The reason why it's called Heck, it's the 3 partners that went for it a few years ago came up with the idea of these chicken sausages and healthy sausages and whatnot, all the things that they make, and unfortunately it failed on them. So they got together with a new business plan. They said, should we go for it again? And it was like, I went, what the heck, why not? And then that's why they called it Heck, because of what the heck, let's do it. True story. Just trying to hold a little bit of this white line, but trying to keep an eye out in front as well, because it can come bombing round there. As much of the road as you can. Watching the gate in the back. That's it. See, they've got 2 trailers on red, tipped, loaded. There's one parked up there, might be for me, might not. Guys in here are great. New gates. It's a bit worrying that means that people work in the cells. Sit here for 5 minutes and come out. See what the crack is. Actually, I'm going to put those just there. My lunch. Cooked chicken yesterday. Chopped up some tomatoes and mixed salad. Low fat coleslaw. Snacking some fruit, and I've lost £10 in 2 weeks by cutting out the shite. Alright, it's about an hour and a half there, just waiting. I got here right on their dinner, and then I finished loading up, swap the trailer out, and head back down the road to Washington so they can get this distributed out to all the other stores. There's loads of different shops on the back, Co-op, Asda, Tesco, tons of paperwork. It's crazy how much paperwork. Some RDCs you go to, you get a slip of paper, and others you get out. Others you get half a tree. Tight, avoid the grass at the bottom. ETA back in the yard. It's around 60 mile. Just waiting for it to kick in. It's telling me I'll be an hour and a half, and it's 63 mile from here. Back in the yard for 3 o'clock, kick off. Park it on the bay, hand my keys in, go from there. Right, I've done the load back to the yard, and it's now SK Foods in Billingham. It's 20 to 4 at the moment, and I should be there in about half an hour, just over half an hour from here to Billingham. I'm skipping a jump. Told me the load was going to be ready around 5 o'clock, so I'll have a 30-minute break there. I took 15 in the yard, sat upstairs, had a cuppa, messed on with my bloody tablet trying to work it out. So I'll get 30 down the road here. Treat myself a decent cup of coffee. Plenty of choices down the road. Dirk and a Merc, what can you say? All up for it today, like. Right, 30 minutes down the road. Out of here. So woke up here at 4 o'clock and it is now 5:30. So a little bimble back down the road, up the road, A19. Back in the yard for 6:10. I've just rung there to see if there's going to be out else after it, but he doesn't know. She says it might be. Okay. 2 Cup Cardiff 3-0. Thank you very much. A good bunch of lads in SK Foods. If you just, once you hand the keys in, you can go back to your truck, but if you go to their like staff room, canteen thing, there's a kettle there, you just help yourself, make yourself a tea or a coffee. There's no machine selling awful crappy coffee. Canny? Sky Sports on in there. Ideal for someone like me. Come on, baby. Overshot the runway slightly, wouldn't you say? Macomland, you would come.